This is how I turn a fraction into a decimal without using a calculator, and I'm going to use the standard long division algorithm to do so, and then using the example 3/8. So in my classroom, I tell my students that a fraction is a division statement, so I'm literally looking at 3 divided by 8. So I set it up in standard form. Does 8 go into 3? No. So I use a decimal, and I bring a 0 down, and that 0 takes me from the ones to the tenths place after my decimal. Can 8 go into 30? Yes, and it goes 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. And I will say you do need to have some really strong multiplication skills for this process. Does 8 go into 6? The answer is no. When I bring a 0 down, it's because I'm moving from the tenths to the hundredths place. So we're talking about place value behind the decimal. For students, sometimes that's a challenge. But 8 does go into 60. It goes in 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. Can 8 go into 4? No. So it becomes a 0 to 40, and that's because I'm now moving from the hundredths to the thousandths place after the decimal. Can 8 go into 40? Yes. It goes 5 times. 8 times 5 is 40. So this one works out really nicely that it ends there. So what I explain to my students then is that 3/8 is 375 thousandths